All right. So this happened to my tire the other day. Check this out. It is completely flat and deflated. So I was up in the canyons doing my usual runs, and then I stopped, checked my tire pressure, and I was like, why the heck is one side 17 PSI and the rest are 30 hot? Well, I think I hit like glass or something that punctured it, because I couldn't figure out where the friggin' puncture was coming from. There's no nail, there's no nothing, right? So how do you fix a tire like this if it's still good and you can still use it and the puncture is right in the middle? Well, here is what you need. You can get this at any parts store. You can even freaking get this on Amazon or Home Depot, funny enough. And I call this a beef jerky. So it's just like a little jerky rubber thing, and then rubber cement right here. And then you got your little tools. This is like a little reamer thing. So you gotta make the hole bigger so it cleans it up. And then this is like the plunger, so you can pop it in there and then pop it out. Pop off the wheels. Ooh. My poor titanium lug nuts. All right, pop these guys off. With the wheel off, it's pretty easy to figure out where the puncture is coming from. Just rotate it until you see a nail or whatever, or just listen for it. So listen to this. It's right there. Now, if you're not sure that's where it's coming from, you can just get some soapy water and just spray it, and it should bubble. See that? Bubbly. So first, we're gonna use this little poker thing. This just cleans up the area. All right, so yeah, we're gonna make the hole bigger. Kind of counterproductive, but you'll see. Come on. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Woo! I know this might look barbaric, but it is. So just plunge it in there. Okay, I like to spin it because that cleans up the area too. I'm not sure if you guys know, but back in the day after high school, I worked at Costco Tire Center, and I did a bunch of these, but we take off the wheel and then patch it from the inside and then do this jerky trick too. So pull it off. Definitely bigger. Yeah, nice and clean. Do it a few more times. It's a lot easier. Just go back and forth. Okay, clean up this area. I'm obviously gonna get a new set of tires, but since this is punctured, might as well show you guys how to fix it. Okay. There we go. There we go. Do it until you could go back and forth like this. All right, that's nice and clean. See that? Perfect. So let me just plug this real quick because I don't want to hear it the whole time I'm talking. Get your little plunger thing and then your jerky. All right, get your jerky. I'm not sure what you guys actually call these. I just call them jerky. Okay. This is like super gummy, by the way, so if you can, I would wear gloves because, yeah, it gets pretty messy. So pop this thing off. All right. Once you got that, put it in the little middle thing right here, this plunger. It's not that hard, actually. It's pretty easy. Okay. Now that you got it on there, get your rubber cement. Remember this guy? Get your rubber cement. Hopefully I have enough. And just put some on top. Doesn't need to be like crazy amount, but just enough. Jeez, looks like I don't have much on here. I've had this set for like, I don't know, 10 years. I kept it on my motorcycle because, yeah, you're kind of screwed if you get a flat tire on a motorcycle. You only have 2 friggin' tires, right? All right, get enough. This doesn't need to be Costco level perfection. Okay, pop this off. Then you take this guy and just pop it in there. Yeah. See that? Sorry for the crappy view. Come on. Twist, twist, twist. Okay. See that? I was twisting. Now I'm just gonna pull straight out. Woo, boy. Yeah. All right. There you go. That's your repair. Now I can fill this up and it should be good. Now, if you're super finicky and you wanna use this tire like after plugging it and you're not swapping it out, just cut this guy. So let me get something to snip this with. Get your little snipper and snip it. There you go. Because if you don't, you're gonna be able to hear this and you're gonna feel it while you're driving. It's a total pain in the butt. So now we're gonna fill this up. Get my inflator. We're gonna reset it. So it looks like there's 3.6 PSI in there right now. So we'll fully inflate this and then we'll spray it with soap again to make sure that it's not leaking. But dude, I've used the same plunger style, the jerky, on my motorcycles, and I've ran it to the cord and it's held. So yeah, totally beneficial to carry one of these kits if you're doing like a road trip or you're going to the canyons. And also I bought myself a little inflator now too, just in case, because yeah, it's not fun when you get stranded up in the canyons. Never happened to me, but this could have been the first time. Luckily there's people there today, or the other night. Okay, so 32 PSI, it's about right. Now I'm gonna flip it over, find our hole, this guy. I'm trying to get it centered in the camera. And then let me just spray this real quick. No bubbles, good repair.